So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to clear cache for the McDonald's app, iPhone and Android speed fix. So clear cache on Android. Open the setting app on your device, tap on apps or application depending on your Android version. Locate and tap on the McDonald's app, tap on storage or storage and cache. Tap clear cache. The cache size should immediately drop to 0. Second one is clear cache on iPhone. Option 1 is offload the app. Open iPhone setting, navigate to journal then iPhone set storage. Scroll down and select the McDonald's app, tap offload app and confirm the clear the cache. While saving login and local document, reinstall the app from the same screen or download it again from the App Store. Second option is delete and reinstall. Tap and hold the McDonald's app icon on your home screen. Select remove app or delete app, then confirm the action. Restart your phone to clear any lingering system data. Open the App Store, search for McDonald's and re-download the app. So thanks for watching.